Indian News 24-hour.
Written by Manuraj. Shunmugasundaram. Updated December 23, 2017. 7:43 admk. Rajya Sabha MP Kanimozhi outside, swarmed by reporters outside Parliament. She was acquitted by a special CBI court on Thursday in the 2G spectrum allocation case. Express photo. Praveen Jain. The mother of all scams was that you were fooled into thinking there was a scam where none existed. There were 17 persons accused in the 2G case instituted by the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) and 19 persons in the case instituted by the Directorate of Enforcement (DED). The special court, which held day-to-day trial of all the cases, has acquitted everyone of all charges, as explained in the judgments running into 1552 pages and 105 pages, respectively. For the Dravida money trick Kazhagam DMK, the 2G case has been another in the list of unproven allegations. When M.G. Ramachandran walked out of the DMK in 1972, he leveled allegations of corruption and mishandling of party funds. Yet, nothing was proved on these allegations. In 2001, J. Jayalalitha, soon after being sworn in as Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, ordered the midnight arrest of M. Karunanidhi on the charges of allegations in the construction of flyovers in the state. So weak was the case, it was not even filed before the court. In 2011, the 2G case was filed before the special court in the Patiala House courts in Delhi, and members of the DMK, K. Kanimozhi and A. Rajya, stood accused. In 2017, all of them have been acquitted. Along with this, the DMK party stands exonerated of insinuations, innuendo, allegations and accusations. Can the BJP and the All India Anna Dravida money trick Kazhagam ADMK, chief architects of the scam, speak with similar moral authority? Have not Bangar Laxman and J. Jayalalitha been convicted by courts of law on charges of corruption? The truth is that politics is a battle of perception. A perception of pervasive corruption was created by our political rivals. With that, there was a tendency to exaggerate, scandalize and sensationalize. When the Comptroller and Auditor General (CAG) report was leaked in November 2010, then Minister A. Rajya stepped down from the Council of Ministers so as to facilitate a fair probe. The entire case was monitored by the Supreme Court, including the filing of the charge sheet and the appointment of the special public prosecutor. Regular updates and progress reports were periodically filed by the CBI, ED and Income Tax Department before the Supreme Court. There has been much more media interest and coverage in this case than any other. To understand the significance of the acquittal, the judgment must be seen against the backdrop of the most stringent media, executive and judicial scrutiny. Political discourse needs to change. It needs to evolve. The BJP and ADMK kept calling this a scam when the case was still in trial. Today, the shoe is on the other foot. We, as responsible opposition parties, need to set a higher standard than the BJP or ADMK. Politicians need to realize that they are hurling allegations and maligning reputations of people with families and lives. Take Kanimozhi. Her son was 11 years old when the case started. She had to be in Delhi for day-to-day trial over the last 7 years. Who will give back her the time she lost in the process? What about the imprisonment she, and others, had to undergo? When DMK President Karunanidhi was arrested on a fateful night in 2001, he was taken before the magistrate at the early hours of the morning. A journalist from Tamil magazine, Nakiran, who was present at the residence of the magistrate, passed him a piece of white paper and asked if there was something he wanted to tell the people of the state. Karunanidhi scribbled the following words: Anithivism, Aram Velam, translated as, injustice will fall. Dharma shall prevail. The words have rung true, time and again. For all the latest opinion news, download Indian Express.